Academy. Hindi po yan ang issue. Ang kinaklarify ko po ay kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban
Yes.
para mapatay, para
Yes.
masabing nanlaban.
Correct.
Correct.
Para
That was a very
ma-minimize.
incorrect.
Correct, yes.
Very incorrect po, if I may
Yes.
say as a
It's
civilian,
not,
sa professional police.
It depends
tayo,
on,
Mr. Chair.
ano na natin yan, ma'am. That's your view, that, right?
It's not my
Hindi
view
ka
only, Mr. Chair.
dumaan ng,
Thank you for
hindi ka
putting it on
dumaan
the record.
pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan,
salamat
ma'am,
tayo,
totoo
Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of the community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for
Senator,
putting it on the
Hindi
record,
tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator, is that
Tawain ko uli yan.